Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can translate a website into your language. Friends, don't forget to put your likes, write comments under the video, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. And let us be with you friends. Let's get down to our topic. And there are situations when you open some website, there is useful information for you or interesting, but you, unfortunately, cannot read it as the website is in another language. But don't get upset, you can easily translate it into any language. To do this, you will need to open any website you need through Google or Safari browser. Then you will need to click on this sign at the bottom left. Next, select Please Translate Website. Now the next step, you will need to choose the language you would like to translate it into. You can choose one of the languages that you, let's say, use most often, or you can click Add Language and choose the one you want. So, when you choose a language, just click on it and then wait a little bit. And as you can see, instantly the website will be translated into the language you need. Likewise, if you need to go back to the language you were translating from, just click on the translation sign and click Show Original. In this way, the website will revert back to its original language. This is the method you can quickly and easily translate any website into your language. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to put likes and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.